Craving something sweet and fruity but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? This strawberry shortcake mug cake is soft, moist, and ready in just minutes. It's the perfect balance of fluffy cake and fresh strawberry flavor. Let's whip it up together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. This helps the baking powder spread evenly so your cake rises beautifully. Now, add 3 tablespoons of milk to bring the dry ingredients together. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps so the cake cooks evenly and turns out fluffy. Next, fold in 2 to 3 chopped fresh strawberries, or swirl in a teaspoon of strawberry jam. This will make the cake extra moist and bursting with strawberry flavor. Microwave your mug for about 60 seconds to 80 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. While the cake is cooling, let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of room temperature cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well until smooth and creamy. The frosting is ready to top our cake. Now, spread this frosting over the slightly cooled mug cake and top it with small, fresh strawberry slices. And there you have it, a soft, fluffy, and fruity strawberry shortcake mug cake with creamy frosting ready in minutes. Perfect for a quick treat anytime. Don't forget to try it out and share your favorite toppings. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.